Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and these are my presents for my makeup. And this is makeup. So this is how you open it. You take this off and you pull this back. And when you open this, you see this, you're gonna open this. Something magically is gonna happen. So this, you pull it back, and you see this right there. You're gonna push it. Oh, and if you got this for Christmas, please do it. Or you can, if you don't have it, you can watch it. And please subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the bell. And so today we are gonna use this one. This eyeshadow. And this is sparkly. So there's some kind of lipsticks that I have. And a blush. So I will start on the eyeshadows. Okay, first let me grab my brush. I'm gonna grab my brush right here. Okay, so I want to choose the pink. So we're gonna use this. Actually, we're not gonna use the sparkles. So we're gonna use this kind of blue right there, and the pink. We're gonna use this pink right there. So first, we are gonna start on blue because the blue is the best one. So we're gonna grab it softly, very soft. And you see this, you're gonna put this on you. When you did that, we're gonna just grab a little bit more. Okay, when you're done with that, you're gonna use this side that's clean, and you're gonna grab the pink. The pink right here. So, just grab a little bit, just like the same as the other one. A little bit pink. Pink is very soft. Remember, soft. And we're gonna use it in this one. It's kind of dark, you're not gonna really see it because it's almost like some of your skin colors. It's very hard. So I'm just gonna keep going and wait. When you're done with that, now we're gonna go to the lipstick. So now I'm gonna use a red. So this red, you're not gonna really see it. So I'm gonna sell this lip gloss, makeup wipes, and let it dry. Close your eyes too. This is so cool. And when you take it off, it turns pink. So we're gonna push it up a little, and we're gonna start doing it. When we're done with that, you guys are gonna do the top. You don't have to do the top if you want. You just can go like, but I want to do the top because I want it a little bit more lighter. Okay, when you're done with that, we're done with that, we're gonna have the blush. Guys, I'm gonna take this out, and now I'm gonna use this one. This. So you're just gonna grab it a little bit. When you grab it, you're gonna blow it. This is brand new for me. Maybe if yours not brand new, you can still use it. But mine is brand new because today is Christmas. Okay. Now you're gonna put it right here until it gets the color. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.